Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing this Barbie outfit. So let's get started. Here we go, here's the outfit here. Here's the shirt. It has some design on the front there. Here's the boots. Here's this purse. And here's this bag here. And here are the pants. And they have Paisleys and glitter, and it has a little belt here. So here is the Barbie. It looks like it fits a modern Barbie, and I switched out the shoes to these ones here since she has she's a flat-footed Barbie. It looks like it fits her pretty well. So here she is. And so I was thinking about, I'm going to do a human Barbie challenge like I've done before, and I was thinking about how I'm going to do these pants and this shirt. I was thinking maybe I could do some embroidery for the shirt, and I could just paint the pants like these are. I could use some appliques. But yeah, put your input in the comments. Tell me what you think, and subscribe for more videos on fashion, and see you next time.